5 reasons to eat oatmeal every morning. Oatmeal is a staple in many health-conscious individuals' diets, and for good reason. Oats are one of the healthiest grains in the world, and oatmeal not only provides good levels of nutrition, but can promote our health a number of important ways. Now, let's discuss some of the amazing health benefits of consuming oatmeal regularly. 1. First, oatmeal is packed with vitamins, minerals and other nutrients. Just be sure to get oatmeal that is unrefined with no sugar added. Oatmeal is an excellent source of manganese, selenium, phosphorus, thiamine, magnesium and zinc, to name a few. It is also a great source of fiber and contains some protein. 2. Another important health benefits of oatmeal is that it can promote heart health in many different ways and reduce the risk of heart disease. Studies have shown that the beta-glucan fiber found in oatmeal can help to reduce bad LDL cholesterol and total cholesterol. As well, oatmeal can also help to reduce inflammation and increase the health of our blood vessels and arteries. 3. Oatmeal is also a great food choice to improve and control blood sugar. Oatmeal can help to lower blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity, as studies have shown. The high levels of fiber can also help to decrease the absorption of glucose into the blood. 4. Surprising to some, but oatmeal is also a great source of antioxidants that can reduce free radicals and oxidative damage. They are high in plant compounds and polyphenol antioxidants. Oatmeal also contains another unique and powerful antioxidant known as ferulic acid, which can also provide anti-inflammatory benefits. 5. Lastly, consuming oatmeal in the mornings has been found to help maintain a healthy weight and also promote weight loss. This is because oatmeal can promote feelings of fullness and satiety due to its high levels of fiber and protein. As well, oatmeal will not create spikes in our blood sugar, which can lead to hunger and cravings, so less calories are being consumed throughout the day. Thank you for watching video.